Hi guys, welcome back to Gamer Dragon. Today we'll be playing Adopt Me, and there's this like new monkey fairgrounds update. So let's head straight into it. So less people than I expected. So how much is it for a monkey box? 600. Okay, I'm quite close to that. 5, 6, 7. So let's start. Lemonade stand, some bucks. Set at a 5. Okay. Yeah, 5 is good. Next, let's get out. Who should we use to get some money? Okay, let's get Griffey out. Let's fly Griffey. So, leaving in 4 weeks. Shoot, this is bad. Okay. What should we do? Okay, Goofy, what do you want to do? Gonna just fly around, hang out? Or wanna help me earn some bucks? How's that? Haha! I knew that was a good spot. Tanks XXRBI74X. Okay, it's just okay. Let's head to the school. Just stop the ride. Okay, let's go feed Griffey. Yeah. Okay, Griffey, quickly. No, Griffey is not thirsty anymore. Good. Can I get like a paycheck, please? Because I really would want it. Like right now. Griffey, let's fly. Oh shoot. I'm gonna come on. Let's check if they need anything. Check through all of them. If any of them needs anything. Okay, none of them needs anything, which is surprisingly good, but right now it's kind of bad because we need to earn some bucks. And when I say bucks, I mean quick cash. Where should I go to get some quick cash? Let's check if anybody's even in here anymore. Yeah, let's teleport there. Stop the ride. Oh, come on. Anybody even in here anymore? Yeah, there's still people. That's good. Okay, you're hungry. Let's check the food. Okay, you want some pizza? Feed him some pizza. Okay, you like the pizza? Okay, your food. Good. So close. We just need, how much is that? Oh yeah, we just need 16 more bucks. Okay, Griffey, let's go. Yes, camping, okay. Spot is like there. Yeah, it's probably around there. So let's head straight there. Now Griffey, let's go. Okay, let's go camp and sleep. And here is a secret way to get in the lounge without paying. You just put you in there. And you're in the lounge without, and you see I did not even pay. Let's put Griffey in there. Oh. Why are you here? Huh? Cracked egg. Anyway, Goofy, come on, sleep. Okay. Goofy's well rested. Okay. Okay, let's get ready. No, wrong. Fly. Goofy, when you're done camping, we'll fly out of here. See the school to get you. Oh, we have 600. Okay, that's good. So let's go buy one of a box, I think. So let's head to the fairgrounds. Wait, let's just teleport. Teleportation. Let's go here. Here, buy a monkey. Okay, let's shake it. Come on, get me something good. Oh, haha! I got a monkey. What's this? I think these are the rarities. Yeah, I got a monkey. Okay, I'm gonna check what does these stuff mean. Check. A monkey king, messed over. Okay. Give me 3 staff and I'll teach a monkey how to rule responsibility like me. Oh, okay. Your gift is unworthy. Return with 3 staffs to transform your monkey. Okay. Toy monkey. I'm a toy monkey, master of fun. Okay. Give me 3 symbols and I'll teach your monkey how to spread joy like me. Okay. Oh no, you don't have. Sad face. I need 3 symbols to transform your monkey. Okay. Wait, so what is the easiest to get? The symbols are here. There's the staff, which probably quite hard to get. Let's go talk to Ninja Monkey, the one I want. I'm a Ninja Monkey, master of stealth. Give me 3 scrolls and I'll teach your monkey to walk the path of the ninja. This is not enough. I need 3 scrolls to show your monkey the way of the ninja. Oh, okay. Business monkeys. I am a business monkey, master of economics. Hey, lady, get off me. 3 briefcases. I will teach your monkey the finer details of businesses. This won't do at all. I need 3 briefcases to transform your monkey. Okay. So my monkey's sick. Monkey got monkey sick. Come on. So what's this? I think this is common. Where? Wait, no, it's common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Ooh, okay. So this is for the Monkey King. See what's the easiest to get. Yep, it's these. But this, okay. So I really want the ninja one. So yeah, I probably have to earn my way for that. Wait, how? This? Oh, it's a rare. Okay, so I think that this Monkey King is legendary. That's confirmed legendary. The other 3 monkeys are probably either ultra rare or legendary. Because it's kind of like here, the ultra rare. Then this one's probably gonna be a legendary. This one, the Monkey King is definitely legendary. So that's all the time oh, thank you, Lanky Boxini 246. So that's all the time I have for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, support my channel. Bye.